Our driving force here is that we just love cars. Really love putting something together from start to finish entirely ourselves. And the same goes for the parts that we develop. Just the whole process of starting with nothing and ending up with something beautiful is just such a satisfying experience. And being able to do it your way and expressing your vision is just priceless. So Steveston Motorco started from a hobby. My friend and I were really interested in cars and motorcycles, and we were working on them sort of in our parents' garages, and we decided, hey, why don't we dedicate a little bit of time and money and get a little hobby shop. It sort of coincided with the same time that I bought a Mini for myself and started working on it, fixing things, realizing that there was parts that weren't available or weren't up to my standards. Really got to know the car and really got to love the car. And as I say, the rest is history. The Mini thing started, I think, probably with Mr. Bean. The Mini can be sort of every car to every person. Right since it came out in 1959, it was a smash hit, an economy car that was commuting the masses, and at the same time it was winning races. Celebrities were driving it. It was sort of everything to everyone. It's instantly recognizable, and it's just a really cool feeling. It's different and familiar and comforting at the same time. The Mini, throughout all of it, for us, has been a fantastic blank canvas for us to express. It is such a simple car and at the same time, where it requires a ton of knowledge but is completely open to change. It kind of has been since its inception. The Mini can be anything to anybody, and that is how we've used it too, where we're taking it and we're expressing ourselves through this car.